How to reset Instagram password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on device. If you are already logged in and know your password, simply tap on profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on three lines at the top right corner, then tap on account center, then tap on password and security. Now simply tap on change password. Now select your Instagram account. Now enter the current password. Then type your new password two times and tap on change password. Else if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot your password. Now if you are not logged into your account, simply go to the login page. Now go to the login page, simply tap on forgot password. Now enter the username or email. Then tap on continue. Now enter the code from your email. Now enter the code and tap on continue. Now select Instagram account. Then create a new password and tap on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.